It's your boy, the burly bartender. I got a mic now. What? We got a new spot, new look. So we're not doing that old tire stuff we was doing before. Had to show y'all something new when we make drinks here at the bar. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. All right, holla at me. You dig it?
So we're doing pitchers of beer. Sometimes people want draft beer by the pitcher so they can share with their whole party. This is a Raging Bitch Belgian IPA, but it's too much head, so we're gonna have to let it a little bit settle, and then I'm gonna pour some more. Right, so we'll put that right there. Now we also need an Angry Orchard pitcher. That's not gonna have any problem pouring though, because it's a cider, so it's not as carbonated, as you can see. Oh, still some carbonation though, so it's not going to be all the way easy, but it's not as bad as a Raging Bitch.